when you see the wind blowing like this, and you fish on a plastic boat like me, a 10-foot plastic boat, don't even try it. Don't even try it. Beautiful day on the water, but way too much wind. I mean, it's white capping out there. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna head north, back up to the northernmost section of this lake, and I'm gonna see what it looked like, more like up into the big creek arms of the lake. Hopefully the wind has been, you know, kind of kicked out or died down from the mountaintops. You know, this lake sits like in the foothills, so it's a lot of sides of this lake that have like hills, big tall hills on each side. So hopefully up through here we got a little, so hopefully when I go up through there, there's a little bit more protection from the wind, because there ain't gonna be no fishing for me if it's like that out there. So let's get on up to the other side. All right, it looks a little bit better up here. Still a lot of wind, but it's not blowing like it is on the mid part of the lake. So I'm gonna give it a little bit of a go. I'm kind of gonna stay real close to the boat ramp. You know, there's a few coves right here. I'm gonna fish those coves as well, just see what we got, and I'm not gonna stay here that long, but we're gonna see what we can catch. Everyone, I highly advise you not to do like me. Have your tackle ready when you get to the lake. I'm already short on time today, and I'm still just acting like I got all day to fish. I got to get a ball. I got to move. I got to get in the water. Get in there. Get in there. All right. All right. Got the first one on, y'all. Got the first one on. Oh yeah, that bad boy right there definitely been eaten up. Look at that. All right, what a nice largemouth. One way you can tell a largemouth from a spotted bass is the jawline. If the back of the jawline, when you close the mouth, goes past the eyeball, it passes the eyeball, that's a largemouth. And you know, I can just tell by the colors of the pattern on the bass outside of the jawline. But yeah, if the jaw exceeds past the eyeball of the fish, that's a largemouth. Gonna let him go. Gonna let this little guy go. Thank you for biting. All right, let's get back in there, y'all. Well, that's where I like it to be. Just kind of picking away at docks, just kind of letting it, really just kind of letting it soak. You know, as much wind as that I'm battling today, the waves in the water is doing the action. Just kind of like letting my, you know, controlling my boat with one hand and holding the rod with the other. You feel that little tick on the end of the line. You see your line jump. You know, yeah, you know you got one. Come on in here, come on in here. Come on in here. I got you in the lips. Now come on in here and stop acting up. All right. Got another one. Got my second one. Got my second one of the day. This one right here is he's a spot. A little small spot. Can't take too long. This wind had you blown on the banks in seconds. And I do mean seconds. Come on now. Whew. Got him hooked good. I need that 6-7 pound to be hooked like that. But got another spot. For anybody, like I said, with the spots. If you look at the back of the jawline, you look at that. You look at this area of the jawline. See, it stops even with the eyeball. Also, spots tend to have these little markings underneath the chin. And the most important way of telling is if you still can't tell, take your finger and you feel on the tongue, and right on the edge of his tongue, he got like teeth. He have teeth on his tongue. That's how you know when it's a spot. Also, they just shaped different. These little bad boys right here, they ain't nothing but attitude, nothing but a little missile. You know, they're full of energy. They fight twice as hard as a largemouth. But yeah, that's him, and I'm gonna let him get on back in the water. That's for anybody that really can't tell between the two, between a largemouth and a spotted bass. You'll get one that has pretty good markings on them, like, you know, be a little bit different. But you know, when all doubt, feel the tongue. If you feel like a small little teeth, you know, the spot got teeth on his tongue. Largemouth got a smooth tongue. So there you go. Oh, he come off. Caught that one off the shaking my head, shaky head. All right, got another one. Fat bass. Largemouth. Largemouth is going. The jaw is extending past the eye. The corner of the jaw is extending past the eye. It's largemouth. Thanks for biting, guy. Well, that's my cue to get up out of here. That's my cue. Okay, here's a quick recap of today's fishing trip. Today, I guess I can just say it went pretty good with the conditions that I was faced with. The wind was a little bit better on the northern end of the lake, but it was still bad. Probably the worst wind that I fished in on the Pelican Bass Raider. I caught 3. I caught 2 on the drop shot and 1 on the shaky head. And I should have had 3 more, but I missed 3 of them. I had 1 pinned, but he wrapped me around a tree underneath the water and got off. The other 2, I kind of got stuck staring. You know, the line was jumping, and instead of me setting the hook, I don't know, I just got caught slipping. But all in all, I think a pretty good day on the water. Well, that's just about gonna do it today. I appreciate each and every last one of y'all who rock with me, stick with me through it all. I'm gonna keep trying to put up this content. Again, we're looking for that size. Hadn't got to that point yet, you know, reaching those good weight or whatever, but we're gonna keep trying. We're gonna keep trying, and we're gonna get there eventually, hopefully. I hope everybody have a great day.